In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Sites to quickly make a photo album, photo carousel of a field trip or art on the wall that you can share with your parents. So if you're going to a field trip and you have teachers or you took pictures of the students as they're on the field trip, or you have those walls covered like a lot of elementaries do with school art, but the parents may not be able to come in and see it, you can take a picture of each one of the individual pieces of art, put it on this website, and everybody can see it. This is a great way to do it. The first thing you have to do is you have to have a folder that has your photos in them. And if it's important for the particular order that these photos show up, then you need to name them appropriately. You can name them 01, whatever the name of the picture is, or just the numbers. It really doesn't matter. So what you have to have first is a folder of your source material. And another great technique with this is share this folder out with the teachers in your school, create the website, and then you don't have to go back to the website at all. Teachers can upload photos of activities during the day, kind of have a weekly newsletter at your school, delete photos that are older, and you can kind of constantly update this photo album, which is great and a great way to have your parents see what's going on. So we've created our folder. We have our photos. Now let's create the site to do it. And this is so quick and easy. So first thing we need to do is go to the sites.google.com.new. And I'm going to click blank, starting a new site. It's loading up. And you put your page title. You can do whatever you want here. We're not going to be fancy with this. This is meant to be quick. So I'm going to call it Field Trip, 3rd grade. Now, I double click here, and I'm going to insert from Drive. Now, I have to find that folder that has the pictures in it, and it takes a little time for it to populate, especially if you have as many folders as I do. Click on Website. Click on Photos when it shows up. And I'm going to select this folder and I'm going to insert. Notice that I have a box, and now I just have the file names. I don't want to see the file names, so make sure you click the box and the setting icon will show up, and instead of list view you do grid view. Done. And voila, you now have the photos. And everybody can see those. If you had a lot of photos, stretch it out. If not, bring it back in. When you're ready, you can then publish your site, and you would put in field trip or whatever. Just remember that you can only have one name per district. So you'd want to do that. Then you click publish, and there you go. That's all that it takes. You're done. That's one way to do it. I'm going to add another page and just show how you could do it with a carousel. So I'm adding a new page, and we're just going to add photo 2. So now we have a photo 2. Now I want to insert a photo carousel. That's a newer feature of image sites. Now it's looking for images. Carousel must have images, obviously. So we're going to select images, and we go to Google Drive, and we're going to go to that same folder. Fortunately, it didn't take nearly as long to load that time. And let's see, where is it? Right there. And then we click Photos. Now this is a little different technique. You can't pick the folder. You can pick all the different photos inside. So once selected, if I hold down my Shift key, I can select multiple. And I wouldn't have to do them individually. I could select them all. So notice it says I have 10 selected. I insert, and it's going to populate those photos. And while it's doing that, I can show the dots, I can show captions, I can auto start. I think I'll do that. Transition speed, I think I'll do slow. And there we go. We can make it bigger. And if we want to see what this looks like, I click on the preview button, and after a while it's going to change on its own. Or you could manually go forward with your photos. If you do not want to see the top, you can get rid of the banner, header type, cover, title only, make it just where it's that page. So there's a quick and easy way to either make a photo book or a photo gallery for your site. I hope this has been helpful to you.